Your Chevy starts acting weird. It jerks, it hesitates, it shifts rough. You think the transmission's dying? But what if I told you it's just your transmission control module? Confused. And here's the shocking part. You can reset it without any tools, no scanners, no mechanic, no fancy equipment. Just you, your keys, and a few secret steps. Before we dive in, hit subscribe, because if you own a Chevy, this is one trick you'll wish you knew sooner. Your transmission control module, or TCM, is the brain that tells your transmission when and how to shift. It learns from your driving style, but over time, it can get confused. Maybe you changed the battery, maybe you tow heavy loads, or maybe you drive too gently or too aggressively. Eventually, it starts making bad decisions, jerky shifts, delays, poor fuel economy. But don't panic. You don't always need a new transmission. You just need to remind the TCM how to think again. Symptoms that you need a TCM reset A. Delay, hard or delayed shifting. I, slipping gears. B, stuck in one gear. Bauer, poor acceleration. Random downshifts. Transmission warning light. 1. Limp mode engaged. If this sounds familiar, stay with me because this next sequence might save you hundreds of dollars. Now here it is, the no-tool TCM reset process used by thousands of Chevy owners. This works on many Chevy models, including Silverado, Malibu, Equinox, Impala, Cruze, and more, especially those with 6-speed or 8-speed automatic transmissions. Turn the key to the on position. Don't start. Press the key once to turn on the electronics. Do not start the engine. The dashboard lights should come on. Wait 30 seconds. This gives the TCM time to power up and enter learning mode. Press the gas pedal all the way down. Push the gas pedal all the way to the floor and hold it there. This tells the system you're initiating a reset request. Don't release. Hold steady. Turn the key off while holding the pedal. While still holding the gas pedal to the floor, turn the key off completely. Wordy, don't release the pedal yet. Wait 10 more seconds. This is the crucial handshake with the TCM. It's like telling it, forget everything you learned, start fresh. Release the gas pedal and wait. Here, now release the pedal gently. Shouter, and wait another 2 to 3 minutes before doing anything else. No keys, no buttons, just wait. During this time, the system wipes the adaptive memory. Your TCM is now reset and ready to relearn your driving style from scratch. Start the car and go for a light drive. Now turn the car back on normally. Go for a 15 to 20-minute drive. Don't floor it, don't tow anything. Just accelerate and decelerate normally. This is the relearning phase. Your TCM is watching and adjusting to your throttle input and driving patterns. Subscribe now if you're learning something new, and let's keep your Chevy shifting like it should. If your car continues to shift poorly after the reset, you may have deeper issues. Low transmission fluid, faulty solenoids, dirty transmission filter, worn clutch packs, or a failing valve body. If you're seeing a check engine light, it's smart to scan for codes using an OBD2 tool. Even a $25 one from Amazon can help. But 90% of the time, especially after a dead battery or ECU update, a TCM reset can work wonders. And that's it. You just reset your Chevy's transmission control module with no tools, no shop visit, and no expensive diagnostics. Now your car has a clean slate, and it's ready to learn from you. So drive smooth, be consistent, and let the system adapt. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe, because this is just one of many secrets car owners never get told. Until next time, drive smart, shift smooth, and take control before your transmission controls you.